What's up, YouTube? My scooter just washed it. Tell you, I get the money's worth out of these tires. As you can see how thin they is. And this one actually was finna come off when I'm riding it. So yeah, I know that's crazy, but that's where we at. Still a little dirty, but cleaner than what it was. Brand new tires. Made in China, everything. I'm not gonna enjoy this. The back tire ain't as bad. It's bad, but it's not as bad. The front tire though, that's crazy. Yeah. But gotta get to it, so yeah, let's get to it. Little tools and stuff over there.